In Mr. Gupta's neighborhood at the main square, Bablu runs a burger stall. The stall's name, Bablu's Burgers. Crowds begin to gather near the stall just to eat burgers.
Come, come! Piping hot burgers! Taste the ocean of flavors in just 20 rupees!
Rahul, a local boy, walks over to the stall. His friends Chintu and Mohan are also with him.
Hey Bablu brother, you seem super excited today. Will I really get the taste of an ocean in 20 rupees? Or is this one of your tricks? Rahul brother, I swear on my burgers. Take one bite and you'll be licking your fingers. Brother, last time we licked our fingers, cause there was nothing in our stomachs.
The crowd bursts into laughter. Bablu doesn't care. He keeps smiling and making burgers as if nothing happened.
My burger will answer your jokes. Just give me the money and taste the magic.
Rahul and Chintu buy the burgers. As soon as they take the first bite, they are shocked again.
Dude, there is barely any potato patty in this. And this tiny piece of dead onion, the sauce tastes like water. Hey Rahul brother, this is my secret recipe. Only true food lovers fall in love with it. Of course, but after a stomachache, that love turns into hate.
The crowd laughs again, but Bablu remains unaffected. He keeps on fooling customers without a care. A few days pass. Suddenly, there is chaos at Bablu's stall. People from the neighborhood start complaining.
Mom, after eating Bablu uncle's burger, my stomach hurts a lot. Oh.
Raman's mom Sushma storms over to Bablu's stall angrily. Bablu, what did you feed my son? He kept vomiting all day and now he is in pain. Are you selling burgers or poison?
Maybe your son is weak. No one else has any issue with my burgers.
Shut up. Tell the truth. What did you put in it? This sauce stinks like it's a year old.
Sister, please talk nicely. Everything here is fresh. People line up for it.
Listen, Bablu, stop now or it won't end well for you.
Now what happened with you, sister? Why are you mad at me too? Okay, fine. Here is a fresh hot burger. One bite and your anger will disappear.
Stop your nonsense. Stop making these cheap burgers in our area. Yesterday, my son ate one and got sick. We had to rush him to the doctor. The doctor said it's because of outside food.
Oh, just because it was outside food doesn't mean it was my burger. I don't believe my burger caused the problem. Maybe he ate something else? Son, people gather here because your prices are low.
Sushma, furious, starts checking Bablu's stall. She finds cheap oil and poor quality ingredients. Look, he is using fake items. This dirty oil, smelly spoiled potato patties. He is simply cheating all of us.
Oh, sister, this is just an experiment. People actually like it. Like it? You have been caught cheating. You are feeding us garbage.
The crowd calms down after a while. But even after all this, Bablu doesn't change. He becomes greedier and starts using even worse ingredients. He wants to show that his food is cheaper. As a result of this, people's health starts suffering. One day, Bablu talks to himself at home.
These people don't understand my hard work. Potatoes are as costly as paneer. And tomatoes, cucumbers, sauces, everything is so expensive. Still, I sell such cheap burgers. And they blame me? I don't care. I'll keep making burgers like this.
Bablu is back at his stall again.
Hot and spicy burgers. Bablu's special masala-filled burgers. Come and eat. You won't find them this cheap anywhere else. I left home in a rush. Didn't eat anything. These burgers look tempting. Let me try one.
Shivam reaches near Bablu's stall.
Brother, one hot burger please. Of course, sir. Here, freshly made hot burger for you. Enjoy it.
As Shivam takes a bite, he finds something strange.
This burger tastes weird. It even smells strange. Sir, we use a secret spice blend. Hope you enjoyed this one. I have eaten many burgers, but this one is the strangest ever.
Shivam eats the burger and leaves. Bablu grumbles.
Everyone just complains about my burgers. No one values cheap and good food.
Next day, Bablu goes to the market. He buys low-quality potatoes, onions and tomatoes. Just then, Chintu and Rahul spot him.
Hey Rahul, look, that's the burger guy. Oh, yes. And look at those rotten veggies. This is what he uses in his burgers. Today we caught him red-handed. We need to expose him in front of everyone.
Next day,
Bro, look at these potatoes. Rotten. And this sauce, it's just colored water. You can fool the public with these rotten veggies, but not us. Hey, you won't find burgers cheaper than mine. What can you expect in 20 rupees? Still I give so much. Get out of here.
next day, Rahul and Chintu call the police and gather the neighbors too. Bablu opens his shop. Rahul approaches him.
Bablu brother, give me a new burger today. You again? Don't blame my burgers again today, okay? Oh, no. I'm sorry for yesterday. It was my mistake. Rahul brother, why did you call the police? You'll find out soon enough.
Police check Bablu's items and they find poor quality ingredients.
Bablu, you are playing with people's health. You are under arrest. Sir, I made a mistake. I got greedy. Please give me one chance.
A chance? You've made so many people sick with these cheap burgers. You deserve punishment. The crowd shouts, "Punish him, punish him." The police takes Bablu away. In jail, Bablu regrets everything. His friend Raghav comes to visit him.
Raghav, I've lost everything. Greed ruined me. I should never have risked people's health. I used cheap stuff and got caught. I feel really ashamed. Brother, if you have done wrong, you'll get a chance to make it right. When you are out, work honestly.
After release, Bablu reopens his stall. This time, he promises to work honestly. He names the stall Honest Bablu's Burgers.
Now I'll care for your health. Not cheap, but good burgers. Let's hope now it really tastes like an ocean of flavors.
Let's see. If you've truly changed, you will get a second chance. The neighborhood forgives Bablu. Slowly, his stall becomes popular again. Bablu earns back people's trust.
Now I have understood. Honesty is the right path. Greed only brings destruction.
And with that, happiness returns to the whole neighborhood.